Open houses have generated huge buyer traffic for me in all of the years of doing business. We've come up with many creative and fun ways to make them successful, engaging and interactive with the community and neighbors. We've hosted breakfasts where we've cooked homemade omelets for potential buyer traffic and neighbors while pushing the events out on social media to encourage the traffic. We've not only had strong buyer leads that led to buying, but also seller traffic as neighbors love the out-of-the-box ideas. We get that not every seller may be keen to the idea of food being cooked and people eating in their home that they are trying to sell. The point is simple though. There are many creative ideas to boost your open houses so you aren't wasting away your Saturdays shopping on Amazon or scrolling through wasted hours of social media. Maybe you have a new listing and want to promote that home outside of the traditional online sources like MLS, Redfin, Zillow, Realtor.com. And let us show you how we can create an exclusive online listing funnel template specifically designed for you and your sellers. You can then push these online funnels and pay pennies on the dollar compared to other costly marketing efforts like print ads and promote to specified geographic social media feeds. To learn more, complete our online request form below today.